Some cars are built to impress. Others become legends for all the wrong reasons. According to Consumer Reports, these 10 vehicles represent some of the worst cars in recent years. From constant mechanical failures to disappointing design choices, they're the cars people avoid like the plague. They might look decent in the showroom, but once you drive them, the truth hits hard. These are the 10 worst cars that nobody wants to buy. Number 10. The Mitsubishi Mirage. It's known for one thing, being cheap. But even with its low price, most drivers quickly regret it. The engine is painfully slow, producing less power than some lawnmowers. The ride is noisy. The materials inside feel toy-like, and the safety scores leave a lot to be desired. Consumer Reports says it's transportation in its most basic, uncomfortable form. Number 9. The Fiat 500L. Fiat tried to bring European flavor to the American market and failed. The 500L looks awkward, feels underpowered, and suffers from chronic reliability issues. Owners report constant check engine lights, clunky gear shifts, and even software bugs in the infotainment. It's not just bad, it's frustrating. Number 8. The Jeep Renegade. Jeep's attempt at a small SUV ended up being more style than substance. Despite the rugged look, it lacks real off-road capability, and its 9-speed automatic transmission is one of the most complained about parts. It shifts unpredictably, rides rough, and has reliability scores that keep dropping every year. A Jeep in name, but not in performance. Number 7. The Ford EcoSport. Ford's smallest SUV struggled right out of the gate. It's cramped, noisy, and feels like it was built as an afterthought. The side-hinged rear door is a weird design choice, and the rear seat is barely usable for adults. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it near the bottom of the subcompact SUV category. Number 6. The Nissan Versa. Especially older models. It's affordable, but that's about all it has going for it. Early versions suffered from harsh suspension, excessive road noise, and an interior that felt like it was stripped down to save every possible penny. The CVT transmission was a frequent source of complaints, often needing repairs well before 100,000 kilometers. Number 5. The Chevrolet Spark. The Spark was GM's attempt at a city car, but it missed the mark. The engine struggles on highways, and crash tests exposed major weaknesses in passenger protection. With minimal comfort and very few standard features, most buyers saw it as a last resort rather than a real option. Number 4. The Range Rover Sport Supercharged. A luxury SUV with serious power, but a terrible reputation. Despite its sleek design and 510 horsepower V8, this model was plagued by electrical faults, air suspension failures, and infotainment system glitches. Repair costs were sky-high, and reliability scores sank fast. It looked like a dream in the showroom, but turned into a maintenance nightmare for many owners. Number 3. The Chrysler 200. It looked sharp when it debuted, but it didn't take long for issues to surface. The transmission shifted erratically, interior quality was spotty, and reliability ratings plummeted. Consumer Reports gave it consistently poor marks across the board. Eventually, Chrysler gave up on it, and so did buyers. Number 2. The Cadillac ATS. Cadillac wanted to rival BMW and Audi, but the ATS couldn't deliver. Rear seats were uncomfortably tight, the infotainment system was glitchy, and reliability problems popped up early and often. It looked premium, but behind the wheel, it felt rushed and unfinished. And number 1, the Infiniti QX60, especially older models. At first glance, it's a stylish, family-friendly SUV, But beneath the surface, it's plagued by an unreliable CVT transmission, poor handling, and awkward interior layout. Consumer Reports slammed its long-term dependability. It's one of those vehicles where luxury was promised, but not delivered. Some cars become classics, others become cautionary tales. These 10 earned their bad reputations the hard way, through years of unhappy drivers and disappointing experiences. So if you're in the market for a used car, steer clear of these. Your wallet and your sanity will thank you.